Dominution Promotion presents a taste of Dominica and St. Lucia after Carnival Party on Saturday the 2nd of September on board the luxurious and more Teresa Joanne boat, King George V dock, Woolwich Manor Way, London E16 2QY, boarding from 10pm till 3am. There'll be non-stop party vibes with DJ Mosty, DJ Redboy, DJ Shyboy, DJ Specialist and Ninja Man Lloyd. They'll be playing the best in soca, afrobeats, bouillon, reggae, highlife, kadas and a whole lot more. Tickets are available from Eventbrite, getyourtickets.co.uk and all the DJs. For more information and party bookings, call 07401 388 251. A taste of Dominica and St. Lucia after Carnival Party, Saturday the 2nd of September.